Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As you know, with the previous video we have fully assembled our engine and now it is time to actually fit it. We do have Axel here as well. Superkie, hallo daar. Hi. My lovey. Hi. And then yeah, here's Axel. So yeah, let's get to today's video. I can Before we actually get started to install the engine, I would like to start with our downpipe, as I've noticed on the spark plugs that it is quite black, so that's due to overfueling. So I just want to see if I can take my AFR sensor, just move it here to the back a bit and then block the front piece off, if that's going to do any changes. So let's get to that. So we managed to finally get the engine in. It is now on its own. Gearbox bolts, all of them are tightened nice and properly, and then as well as the engine mounting. So the next thing we want to focus on is just to be able to turn the engine over. So we're just going to get the power wire sorted to the starter, and then as well get the earth sorted as well, get the battery in it, and then as well get it on charge, as we're not currently running the alternator. So that's going to be our main focus point now, is to get proper power to the starter.
Bendix skip nie in nie, of die starter gelei.
Klink vir my of hy klats gelei.
Dis die Bendix of die Bendix skop nie in nie. Nie genoeg krag en nie kan die Bendix nie heeltemal nie juis nie. As die Bendix klap, die Bendix tot aan vorentoe.
Okay, maar het jy nou gehoor wat doen hy? Hy
Hy
druk
net.
Dit groot bossies.
Hy druk uit en hy
Nee.
Dan
sê hy
moet ek weer try, nou hoor jy. Hy klap en hy
laat ek hom swaai, dan staan hy voor en luister.
hoor jy dit? Hy klik en hy draai.
As jy so sê, okay.
Die starter swaai Hy stoot nie.
Hoorie maar op.
Hy doen.
Ek wil net sê, ek hoor iets wat op die tafel.
Hy doen. Draai hom. Maak 'n paar keer klik 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 klik. Hoor. Daai klik, hoor jy?
Ja.
Daar's hy. Hoor jy dit? Hy klik. Hoor hom.
Ek hoor so
So hy die klats
jou
bly.
petrol loop uit.
Hy kan nie. Sy petrol kan nie uitloop nie want hy's nie gekonnekt nie.
Okay, so eerstens ons hoor die druk, tweedens ons ry petrol. Hier by ons.
Jy kan nie petrol ry nie.
Nee, ons ry petrol. Daai ek dink as die tip wat hy is, ons ry petrol.
Okay, ek sê jou wat. Kom ek draai die engine 'n bietjie. Ek gaan die engine 'n bietjie draai. Kyk ons weer. Okay, draai. Okay, ek gaan hom weer 'n bietjie draai. Okay, draai die starter.
Dink nie meer ons.
Draai die starter.
En
Draai starter. Draai starter.
En dan
Draai starter. Draai. 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 Unfortunately, we couldn't get the car started due to our starter not working properly, or we couldn't get the engine to turn around due to our starter. I'm going to show you why. So once you give it power, it does come out, and then as well it does turn. But unfortunately, as soon as you give it power to switch on, you can hold this Bendix in place, and it's not strong enough to actually pull it out at all. So I believe, well, according to Axel, me and my dad, our Bendix is slipping, so we'll need to replace the starter, or we need to replace the Bendix enable for this to work. So we'll need to open it up and then basically remove everything in the back piece so that we can take this Bendix out, get a sample, and then see if we can find a new one. So let's go ahead and strip it down so that we can remove this Bendix. So this is the Bendix unit that we need to replace, that I believe that is the issue. So I'm going to see where I can find it, want to fix it or want to replace it, so that we know that is sorted. Replace it, and then we're going to try again. So seemingly that we are kind of finished now with the engine. We need to fit the starter, and then there is, while we can't start the car, there's one thing else I would like to do as well. We'll do that on the next video. So I don't want the car to be outside anymore because it is partially open. So I would like to get it back into the garage. Now it is still a bit dirty, so let's go ahead and clean up our garage, make some space so that we can put the Audi back into the garage. So there we have our Audi Now in the garage, I'm back again where it's supposed to be. I'm so glad and excited for this. So now we need to see if we can source a new Bendix, and then hopefully that will be the issue. Assemble it again, test it, see if it's sharp now or not. So that's going to take a bit of time perhaps. So while I'm going to wait for that, be sure that I have enough time to look for one. We will be starting with something else. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. You must have a lovely day further. God bless and be safe. Ciao.
I can fly.